Greetings to the esteemed jury, educators, and the members of my team. I am Tiffany Joanne from MRSM Betong, Sarawak. Along with me are the members of my team, Muhammad Faiz, Marie Eva Jackson, Evangeline Marta, and Harit Hakimi as the present presenter. The product that we will present today is an automated sensor fridge. This creation falls under the category of management, service, and marketing.
As for introduction of the product, what is COVID-19? COVID-19 is an abbreviation term for coronavirus disease 2019. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered virus. Individuals infected with this COVID-19 will experience mild to moderate symptoms and recover without requiring any special treatments. This COVID-19 virus is mainly transmitted through droplets generated when an infected person cough, sneeze, or exhale and touch. As we can see, the new cases worldwide and also Malaysia decreases in small number but in still large quantities. The impact of COVID-19 on the social and economic life in Malaysia. As the Movement Control Order or MCO was introduced, meetings and direct conversation has been restricted. This situation impacts negatively on the mental health of group involved during this pandemic. As in points mentioned just now, COVID-19 spread through droplets from bodily fluids through touch. Thus, any physical contact from person to person are highly risky and might transmit the COVID-19 virus. In large food serving sectors, it is nearly impossible to avoid any contact on surfaces such as table, sinks, doors, and a lot more. Moreover, refrigerator's door handle is one of the most high-risk surfaces due to the fact that frozen items or item load in the refrigerator were originated from the outside sources. This concern focuses on the fridge handle, which involve plenty of physical contact and high risk to gain COVID-19 virus. Therefore, we would like to innovate the current designated fridge to something that will cut off the physical contact contamination. Introducing the auto sensor fridge or ASF. How does ASF works? There will be a button or pressure plate placed at the lower part of the refrigerator's door. The button or the pressure plate function to be stepped using the user's feet. In a certain period of time, the refrigerator will open automatically and will remain open for 10 seconds, giving space for the users to load items before the door closes automatically. There are also movement sensor. It detects human movement during the opening of the door and will remain open until no more human movement are detected. The fridge door can be closed in two ways. First, by re-stepping on the pressure plate and also automatically by sensor. Next, parts and components in the product. First, highlight parts, button or pressure plate. This button or pressure plate is used as a switch. When being stepped or being clicked, electrical circuit will be sent to the main board, thus opening the refrigerator door automatically in certain period of time or 10 seconds specifically. Second, movement sensor. Movement sensor is used as an indicator for the human's presence. If the sensor detects human movement while the door are still being open, the door will remain open until no more human movement detected for 10 seconds. Then, the button or pressure plate will send impulse to the refrigerator door and it will be closed. Third, buzzer. Buzzer function as an indicator to users as the door starts opening. This alert the user to take a step back from the door as a precaution step and also as prevention from injuries.
2. Crucial parts and components of the ASF. This product consists of a button or pressure plate components. As we all may know, the buttons serve as an input switch to send an electrical circuit to enable this automated sensor fridge to open. With this component, no direct physical contact occurs on the surface of the button and skin because we will step on the pressure plate, so we don't need to worry. The next component is the movement sensor. With the existence of movement sensor shown below, it will detect nearby human movement and allow the refrigerator to open. Active ultrasonic sensor emits ultrasonic sound wave that reflects off objects and bounce back to original emission points. This detects infrared energy which humans and animals release as heat. Also, the third component, which is the buzzer shown in the picture below, acts as an alarm or signals to human that the fridge will be opened to prevent any injury happens in the future. This also acts as an security element so that the user won't be facing any injury. Three, advantages of ASF. Automated sensor fridge reduce a physical contamination through contact against the refrigerator door. At the same time, this fridge also facilitates the transfer of goods to restocks or vice versa. Four, how ASF could prevent the spread of COVID-19. The use of automated door is able to prevent contact from occurring while curbing COVID-19 disease. As for the implication, after physical contact is restrained, is that the probability of COVID-19 healing is high. And number 5, we have the impact to the industry. By using the ASF, efficiency of labor are often increases because of the presence of the sensor. Workers now do not have to overlook their lots just to open the fridge door. By that, they will push their feet to press the button allowing the fridge to open. Moreover, it will ease up their work even better. As what we can conclude, the ASF helps in preventing the COVID-19 disease by avoiding direct physical touch. The efficiency of labor increased significantly thanks to the presence of the sensor. The need to line aside lots may be eliminated by using pressure plate as a switch to activate the door. And that is all from our group. Thanks for listening and forgive us if there are shortcomings in terms of presentation and other technical problems. And thank you again.